All right, the 100 Days of School is coming up on Monday, and we have an ebook that talks about the 100 Days of School. It's actually a counting book, and I wanted to show you guys how to access it. On your apps, you're going to click on Follett, and it should be opening up. If it gives you this page, just click on Catalog, and then you want to click on Destiny Discover. I think for the kids, it automatically goes to Destiny Discover, but for you, you might have to switch it over. And this is the Destiny Discover website for our school. So all these books are our schools. We're going to click under ebooks. We're going to go to see all and type in 100 days. All right. If it's an icon like this, that means it's an actual physical book here in the library. You want to look for a book and it has the E on there. And if it has the little infinity sign, that means everybody can check out the book at the same time. So click on this, and then you can click on checkout or open. I'm going to click on open. That means I can read it right here on my screen. And that is how you guys can check out the 100 Days of School ebook.